What are the two biggest expenses that are draining your bank account every single month? Well, that's what we're going to cover in today's video, but only if you smash that subscribe button. Otherwise, this video will cease to destruct. I'm just joking. Hi, is that the tax office? Yeah, I've just made a payment for my taxes this year. Did you get it? Okay, great. And can you just tell me, is that my biggest expense as an entrepreneur right now? No, it's not my biggest expense. Wow, okay, thanks. So, what are the two biggest expenses as an entrepreneur? And look, let me know what you think it is. So, leave a comment. Let me know what you think your biggest expense is as an entrepreneur. A lot of people say various different things, which I'm going to cover in a moment, and then I'm going to go on to reveal your biggest expense and why this one expense is killing your business, killing your income, and just really, you got to do something about it. All right, so we'll actually start with the second one. So what is the second biggest expense in life? Well, many people say, oh, Stas, it's my mortgage, my car payments, my kids, my dogs, my hobby, my horses, my holidays, my watches, whatever it is, okay? And look, the truth is, it's none of those things. I'm gonna tell you that the second biggest expense in your life as an entrepreneur or as a normal employee is taxes. Yep, taxes. So your second biggest expense is taxes. Think about it. If you earn 50,000 a year, 100,000 pounds a year, whatever it is, over the course of your life, do you know that the average person pays 50% tax? Well, oh no, but I'm in the lower tax brackets. That's not true. Well, let me break it down to you. The government have made it so smart that you don't even realize you're paying 50% tax. So let's just imagine you earn 50,000 big ones per annum. And over the course of the year, you pay for petrol, food, going away, entertainment, you buy stuff, leisure stuff, gym stuff. Guess what? There is tax attached to all of that. You pay tax when you buy a house, you pay tax when you sell a house, when you buy food, when you fill up your car, when you go on holiday. We are taxed all the time. And if you work it out, on average, you pay 50% in tax. What this means is that if you earn 50,000 pounds a year, you're actually only taking home 25% net in your pocket, which is probably a little bit of a wake-up call. Look, if you earn 100,000 pounds a year, you're only really earning 50,000 pounds a year in your pocket. So the second biggest expense as an entrepreneur and in life in general is taxes. Let me break some home truths to you. So let's just imagine that is your biggest expense, okay? Or your second biggest expense, should we say in this case. What is the number one expense? Well, let me give it to you this way. Let's say you want to become a millionaire, £1 million, but at the moment you might make 50 or 100,000 pounds. Let's say you earn 100,000 pounds per annum. Okay, so the difference in that is 900,000. But let's kind of break down the taxes. So if you earn $1 million, you're only really, let's do this in green, just so you really illustrate the point. You're only really taking home $500,000. And if you're earning 100,000, you're only really taking home 50,000 pounds. Every year that goes by that you are not a millionaire, that you haven't earned £1 million, but you've earned 100,000 pounds, guess what? It's costing you Every single year, what's 500 minus 50? £450,000. That is what you are paying life by not knowing how to make £1 million. Now, you might say, oh, well, Stas, I don't want to be a millionaire. I just want to earn 100 grand because I'm making 50 now, right? Whatever it is, work it out, okay? Work out your numbers, but let's stick to this example. If you want to be a millionaire, you want to make £1 million a year, but you're currently making £100,000 a year. After tax, you're making $500,000 here, you're making 50,000 here. You are paying life £450,000 every single year that goes by. That's what it's costing you. So the next time you have an opportunity to invest in your education and oh, it's too expensive, 5 grand, 20 grand, 50 grand, it's too expensive. Just remember this cost, because the number one expense as an entrepreneur is very simple. It's lack of knowledge. That's it. Lack of knowledge on how to make your desired income. If it's $1 million, great. If it's 10 million, even better for you. If it's 100,000, that's great too. It doesn't matter. I want you to do this exercise and let me know in the comments what you got. And then you will be very, very, very clear as to how much it's costing you every year that goes by, how much you are paying life. If you want to get from here to here, you got to have the knowledge. So if you are struggling currently, what is going to get you there is knowledge. So lack of knowledge is what's preventing you from achieving everything you wanted. So this is you right now. This is what you desire. Okay? Lack of knowledge. So I want to leave you with that thought, because the next time you think, oh, it's too expensive, oh, it's not going to work, oh, it's this, oh, it's that. There's a very good saying that I learned from Myron Golden, and I think it's true, and I can say it because, look, I've been rich, I've been poor, so I can say it. And I don't mean this in a bad way, and it's not against anybody. But look, poor people know the price of everything and the value of nothing. Let me say that again. Poor people know the price of everything and the value of nothing. They ask questions like, how much does it cost? Blah, blah, blah. It's a mindset shift, okay? It doesn't matter how much it costs, because if it gets you the result, that's what's the most important thing. Remember that the most important thing in life is knowledge. And lack of knowledge is your biggest expense as an entrepreneur. Now look, if you need help in growing your online coaching, consulting, service business, anything that you sell online, whether it's high ticket, whether it's a done for you service, it does not matter. Book a call with me and my team to see if we are a good fit and just to see how we can help you move forward. Or you could just register for our free training, which will show you the 5 keys to scaling any digital business to 7 figures and beyond. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.